Hello Hayes Middle School. In this video we're going to look at editing the agenda page that's available here in your course template. And so to get started, I'm going to click Edit here in the top right. And we first want to update the information here at the top of this page by triple clicking where it says course name and typing in the name of your course. Maybe you teach 7th grade math, and then adding your own name here where it says teacher's name. And then if we scroll down a bit, you can give some additional information about what's going to be included in the table. And then in the table itself, you want to include all the information that students will need to be successful, whether it's the current day that they're looking at, or possibly a day in the future that they know they're going to miss, or a day that's past that they had to miss for whatever reason. So here in the first column, we have what's due today, and you can link any assignment that's going to be due by clicking first in that cell and then scrolling back up here to the Rich Content Editor toolbar and clicking on the links icon and choosing course links, because this is an assignment that's stored here in Canvas. So I click on course links, and here next to assignments, I click the arrow and I can select any assignment that I've already created. So you'll want to have all of your assignments created before you come here to edit your agenda page. So I'm just going to select this first one. And then under what's happening today, I can give information about the lesson that we're going to do during class on the date that's listed here on my agenda page. So maybe I'm going to start with a bell ringer and we're going to watch a video. So if I type in that information, I can also format that text. If I highlight it, I can come back up here to the top. I at least want to make it 14-point font, and maybe in this case I want to make it bold. And then of course, using these other icons, you can change the color and or the background color, or you can make it superscript if needed. And so if I'm going to show a video, if I leave my cursor there, then I can come back up here to the top and click More. And then since we have YouTube as a plugin here in our Canvas courses, you're going to click the little plugin icon and scroll down in your list to find YouTube. If that's one of the only apps you have installed, you won't see much here. And if you click on the name YouTube here, it's going to ask you to search for a video. I actually already have one pulled up here in this other tab, so I'm going to click over here to my other tab in my browser, click the share icon, and copy this link that's available for the video I want. Come back over here to Canvas and click in the search bar, paste in that link, hit enter on my keyboard, and then click the embed button here to embed that video on my table. You'll see it shows up right here in the cell where my cursor was previously located. If I click on the video and then click the right arrow key on my keyboard and hit return on my keyboard, I'll be able to make some more space for myself here in this cell to add additional information. So maybe there's a class activity that I want to give them information about, and I'm going to link a file to that one. So I'm going to scroll back up here to the Rich Content Editor toolbar and click on Documents, and then Course Documents. And I can add any file that I've already uploaded here to Canvas. So we're just going to use this one as an example. And it'll embed a link to that file right here in my cell. I'm going to hit return again. Maybe you're going to have an assignment that you're going to work on here during the hour. So we'll type class assignment. And again, if I come back up here to the Rich Content Editor toolbar, the assignments are course links inside the course. So I click on links and course links, and then assignments, and maybe it's this example assignment number 2, and then I can finish out with an exit ticket and maybe choose to embed a link from outside of Canvas to a Kahoot or a Quizlet or something of that nature. Last but not least, on any given day, you want to add what's going to be due the next time you get together with your class. So get your cursor out here in the far right column and add links to additional assignments that will be due the next time you get together with this class. As you scroll down the table here, you can fill in information for additional days of that current week. In an upcoming video, we will look at how to copy the information out of this table and into another table on another page so that we can link those pages here for past and future weeks so that students can access that content as needed in your course and so that you can use that content in years to come. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.